Welcome to Yingni today. We have the amazing latest welding technology for you. Let's start the revolution to produce the drill bits. The automatic laser welding machine for cold drill. Yeah, that's it. Let's see how it works, especially the welding process. Now, our segments finish welding. Look at the welding point. Clean and tidy. We could promise the reliability and stability of welding quality. High productivity due to short cycle times, short setup times, highest quality of the drill bits, high flexibility tube diameter from 24 to 400 mm. And that's our machine. Hope it would help you improve your production. Thanks for the review.